These birds are ptarmigans, also known as prairie chickens. They live at the poles all year round. Their feathers change color according to the seasons. In summer they are brown, and in winter, white. They are thus camouflaged and easily able to hide from their enemies. Birds of the Arctic take advantage of the rich variety in the sea. Their bodies, well suited to flight, also allow them to dive into the waves. Under the water, they are able to use their wings just like flippers. The air this bird stores in its lungs is sufficient for a 3-minute dive. It is also able to swim at jet speed thanks to the air pockets it holds under its wings. The abilities possessed by these birds living at the poles show that they have been created in line with the environment. The Almighty God has created these polar birds with the most suitable characteristics for the climate in which they live. He is God, the Creator, the Maker, the Giver of form. To Him belong the most beautiful names. Everything in the heavens and earth glorifies Him. He is the Almighty, the All-Wise,